Welcome to this step-by-step guide where I'll show you how to create a new Instagram account without using a phone number on the PC app after the latest update. If you've been searching for a simple way to do this, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app on your PC. Once the app is ready, look for the Sign Up option on the main screen. Click on it to begin the process of creating your new account. Now, you'll see two main choices for signing up: with a phone number or with an email address. Since we don't want to use a phone number, go ahead and select the Sign Up with Email Address option. Next, you'll be asked to provide some details. Start by entering your email address. Make sure you use an email that you have access to, because Instagram will send a confirmation message to it later. After typing in your email, continue by filling out the other fields, such as your full name, the username you'd like to use, and a strong password. Take a little time choosing your username, since it's what others will see on your profile. Once all the fields are completed, click Sign Up. At this point, you may be asked to confirm your email address. Simply open your inbox, find the message from Instagram, and confirm it. After that, your account will be fully set up. That's all it takes to create an Instagram account on the PC app without a phone number. From here, you can start customizing your profile by adding a profile picture, writing your bio, and following your friends and favorite accounts. This method makes it easy to set up Instagram when you'd rather not use your phone number. All you need is a valid email address, and in just a few minutes, you're ready to explore everything that Instagram has to offer. Now your new account is ready, and you can dive right into posting, sharing, and connecting with the community.